A watch box is a good way to keep your watches fashionably organized. I really like watches and I've got a collection myself, so I thought that building a personalized watch box is a great idea. My name is Hiro Mangurai and this is a short recap of my DIY watch box process. To start off, I designed the watch box. For this I gathered some ideas from other YouTube videos and online shops. After getting a clear idea of the features I wanted, I started drawing them. In the end, I came up with a red mahogany watch box with a golden handle and a glass top. At this time, all I had was the wood. I began cutting all the pieces for the sides of the watch box. No nails were used in this project, only dowels and wood glue. After clamping everything together and setting them to dry, we're left with a plain box. I then sand the whole box smooth and give it some curvy edges. I cut through some part in the middle of the box, creating the lid and the bottom tray. I make a hole through the lid since this box will be having a glass top. Now that the box's skeleton is complete, we need to fill this thing with some accessories and paint. We start buying some materials. At the hardware, we buy some wood stain, varnish, and wood fillers. I go to another store looking for some black silicone to glue the glass to our box. Not everything can be found in my place, so I need to order some stuff online, specifically our watch pillows and hinges. Most watch boxes use latch locks, but I decided to go with a simple handle. And just like that, we got all the materials we needed. After getting our materials, I first fill up all the holes that our wood had. For a more natural outcome, I mix the filler with some wood dust. The color gets really close to natural wood. Then I mortise the hinges. For the grid, I make some pieces and cut it in a way that they interlock into one another. I use the cut-off saw to trace the layout. Then I start painting. I do 2 coats of primer and a flat black top. Same goes for the inside of the box. I cut some glass for the top. Despite using the proper tools, the glass was not cut perfectly. It didn't bother me much though since it'll be covered by the silicone anyway. For the handles, I thought of drilling holes into the wood and gluing them in there. I took time making sure that the handle ends up perfectly in the center. After doing so, I drill through the points, gradually increasing the size of the bit. Then I start staining the wood. Surprisingly, the wood stain I bought turned out to be more purple than red. To fix this, I dabbed some red paint and covered it with more stain for a darker color. Then we varnished the whole box, giving it a shiny outcome. I glued the glass to the wood using the silicone. Not very easy to do, but nothing went wrong. While waiting for that to dry, we assembled the grid. I gotta mention that the layer of paint made it difficult to assemble. But after getting it together, we put it in the box and everything was looking perfect. Then we attached the lid to the bottom tray with the hinges. And for the final touch, we install our handle. As I've mentioned, using some super glue. And that ends our watch box journey. Hope you enjoyed!